Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2011 Yamaha V-Star 1300. Beautiful twin cylinder, 1300 cc cruiser, liquid cooled, fuel injected, belt drives, awesome sounding Cobra pipe, beautiful black satin, actually it's a metallic black, new tires, backrest. Make your big bore cruiser dreams come true. This beautiful V-Star 1300, price to sell just $47.99. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Oh yeah. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.